Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphones Adidas RPD 01. The first one is the easiest one. All you need to have is like USB-C cable and connect it just to USB-C port on your headphones. We can see LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. So all you should have is USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it. Just connect USB-C to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we also can see LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!